What's going on here, guys?
We're making bread.
Making bread. What you doing, Fred?
We're kneading. Say kneading. We're kneading.
Look at that. Good job.
We have homemade bread.
Homemade bread. Yummy, yum.
You're an excellent baker.
What do you do next, Fred? You put it in the oven?
Are you going to eat it?
Yeah.
What do you see? Yeah. Squish it. Squish. It's very serious. Look at it. Push. Yeah. Okay, I think we're done.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to put it in the oven, but we're going to put it in the big oven. All done.
Say all done.
Say all done. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Look at the camera. Bye.